have, played a lot of matches under her captaincy as well. How did that feel, like having her as a captain? How does she think? How does she support? Because playing for India, it's quite a huge thing. And, having that support from your captain, how was that like when Harmanpreet was your captain during matches?
She's an aggressive captain. I like an aggressive captain. That really suits me.
Right.
But at the same time, she's very chilled.
Oh.
She'll be like, kar, bindas kar. Like, I'm like, oh, I have got the permission to do whatever I want.
Yeah.
So that is the thing that you get, as a fresher when you come in, you don't expect a lot of you feel very tight around, and especially if you're sharing a dressing room like with all these legends. But it didn't feel like as if I was, I'm around so many big cricketers. It was just, Arey, aaja chal chai peete, Arey, chal ye. So it was very calming. It was very acceptable at that time.
Okay, now coming to, you're one of the most talented bowlers, I would say, of our country as well. How do bowling का बहुत होता है, injuries होता है, you have to plan certain things and all that. How would you say, like from a bowler's perspective, that to someone who's probably just taking up something like bowling, उनको आप क्या कहना चाहते हो to a budding bowler?
I would say you have to work hard. That's उसके लिए कोई substitute नहीं है. And bowling is something that you need to polish your skills continuously. Being a bowler in this country is not easy, but you have to be skillful. That's what it takes, and hard work. Put your head down, keep working hard.
Since you have so many years of experience, I'm quite sure like कि हर sports person का वो एक mentor होता है. आपका mentor कौन है?
Along the years, there are a lot of coaches that a lot of people that shape you.
Right.
But after a certain level, you just you don't need a lot of coaches. You need a mentor. So I spoke to, I didn't have the guts to do that, but I initially was like, no, I should do that. I should do that. And I just spoke with Niranjana Nagarajan, one of the best fast bowlers that India has produced. And she, I can call her anytime. And I've seen her when we played the last game when she retired. Mumbai and Tamil Nadu played together. And she was at her best. You wouldn't say that, oh, this girl is going to retire. So, and I spoke to her and she's like, okay, we'll discuss about it and we'll see the mental part as well. And we spoke a lot about it. And I have a similar coach, that my personal coach, Vinod Raghavan. He's similar to him. I mean, he's similar to Niranjana Di. And we both used to, I talk to her and they know that I've been in contact with both of them. Keeping the clarity, keeping the transparency is as important. So we work on the things and she'll be like, no, I'm watching your videos, do this. A few times I've been gone to practice with her as well. So it's something that I continuously I'm just focusing, because she knows bowling. As a fast bowler, you cannot expect everybody coming and giving you advice and you just pick all the advices, you listen to everybody. But as a fast bowler who's been in that shoe, I tend to listen to that person more.
Okay, now asking you a little fun question here. हर एक athlete का एक pre-match ritual होता है. Either they listen to some song or they have some kind of warm up they do. What is your pre-match ritual?
ऐसे rituals ऐसे नहीं, routine हो जाते हैं. लेकिन हर टूर पे ऐसे कोई फिक्स्ड रूटीन नहीं रहता है, बदलते रहता है. But I'll tell you a funny story. We were on a tour and state tour only, but 2 मैचेस हो गए, विकेट्स नहीं मिला, एक ऐसे एवरेज गेम्स चल रहे हैं. तो मुझे आदत है, मैं सुबह मैच के पहले आई टेक अ शावर एंड देन आई गेट फ्रेश प्रॉपर एंड आई गो. मैंने डिसाइड किया आई वोंट टेक अ शावर, क्योंकि कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. देन ऐसे ही किया कि नहीं यार है, तो आई से चल देखते यार जो होएगा. 15 मिनट थोड़ा ज्यादा सो जाते हैं. सो उस दिन ऐसे ही थोड़ा आलसपना हो गया एंड देन आई टेंड टू डू वेरी वेल. सो वो पूरा टूर वो एक बन जाता है रूटीन. सो इट डिपेंड्स, लाइक इट्स shouldn't be a superstition, but एक routine रहता है that okay, I get up at a certain time. Okay, I know that I need this much time to get into the zone. Okay, so it's everything is fixed for me.
Right.
Nothing is superstitious, but it just that okay, ये time पे it depends if you have a morning game, an evening game. You have to do it. It's a one day, it's a T20, and depends on the team. So that is how it works. But मेरा हो जाता है कभी कभी कुछ चीजें सुपरस्टिशन भी हो जाती है कि नहीं ये सॉक्स अगर पहने और अच्छी बॉलिंग हो गई तो अब यही सॉक्स पूरा मैचेस होगा.
So you were also part of the UP Warriors in the WPL. वो कैसा था? And tournaments like WPL, how do they impact for more cricketers to grow?
वो one of the best मेरा T20 tournament था state का when I got picked by UP Warriors because I was expecting nothing. We won that tournament honestly, and it was like we just wanted to win that tournament. And वो स्टेट का टूर्नामेंट अच्छा गया. मुंबई वन द चैंपियनशिप एंड ऑक्शन था थोड़े टाइम बाद एंड देन यूपी वॉरियर्स पिक्ड मी एंड घर पर पता था कि हाँ यार ऑक्शन होने वाला है. मैंने कहा मत देखना, कोई भी नहीं देखेगा ना, मुझे दिखाना प्लीज. सो बट हुआ, नाम आया, इन्होंने बिड किया एंड माय कजिन केम रनिंग एंड इज लाइक हो गया. लाइक कौन? लाइक यूपी वॉरियर्स. इज लाइक अच्छा है, शुक्र है. एंड देन कैंप हुआ. तब तो सब डोमेस्टिक प्लेयर्स ही थे. वी नो ईच अदर अ लॉट एंड वी प्लेड क्रिकेट टुगेदर. बट जब इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स आए, जब प्रॉपर WPL का हमारा कैंप हुआ एंड देयर आर गोइंग टू बी मैचेस एंड you just have a fan moment over there. You just get just blank and you're like, okay, this is actually happening. And I know that there were really good players in the team. You've seen them playing games in the past for their country, and you see Alisa Healy coming and walking in. You see Sophia Kilston, you see Talia McGrath, and it's just it was just amazing. It was a little scary because तब तक तो इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेला ही नहीं था. तभी सिर्फ डोमेस्टिक ही खेल रही थी और जो फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स के साथ हुआ वो WPL था. सो दे वर वेरी स्वीट. दे केम एंड वी स्पोक एंड इट वाज जस्ट, वो भी इंसान ही है वैसे हो गया कि यार कुछ नहीं यार कर लो बात. एंड वी हैड अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन. WPL ने बताया कि हाउ it's very close to international cricket and it just groomed me कि ये चीजें होती. UP Warriors में काफी चीजें सीखने मिली and along with all the experienced players as well.
Right. And if you feel like, how would you say that WPL and all this T20 cricket, it's like a boom everywhere. It's more over T20 and all. How do you think like tournaments like WPL is like opening doors for more women in budding, इतने सारे budding talent आ रहे हैं and WPL is playing one of the most crucial part. How do you think about that?
अब WPL की वजह से काफी लोग डोमेस्टिक देखने आते हैं हमारे डोमेस्टिक मैचेस जो है. So now they're following, now they're seeing the scores कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. So that is a good thing that you're getting attention. You know that you've been seen.
Right.
If you're doing well, you'll get what you deserve. But वो चीजें है कि वो एक चीज, वो अवेयरनेस बढ़ रहा है वुमेन्स क्रिकेट के बारे में. वरना हमें पता था कि हाँ यार मैचेस है, कोई आया देखने नहीं है. बट अभी वो चीजें होती है, अभी क्राउड भी आता है देखने. लाइक वी डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट इन डोमेस्टिक. इंटरनेशनल मैचेस में नहीं आते थे बट अभी स्टेडियम सोल्ड आउट हो रहा है. So that is the thing that I really like to see कि वो कहाँ से शुरू किया था and after a decade when you see the difference you feel like यार कुछ तो अच्छा ही हुआ जो भी हो. because जहाँ मैच फी हमें ना के बराबर थी, there was nothing like you cannot financially आप खुद का भी मैनेज नहीं कर सकते थे, घर वाले तो जाने दो. but when we got match fees increased and domestic में especially more प्लेयर्स वर फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल. वरना हमने पास्ट में देखा है कि बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स है जिन्होंने सिर्फ फाइनेंशियली कंडीशन के वजह से उन्होंने क्रिकेट छोड़ दिया इवन दो दे वर द बेस्ट प्लेयर्स. बट सिर्फ खेलना है उसके लिए मतलब वो एक दो चीजें थी जो उनको नहीं हैंडल हुई एंड वन बेस्ट प्लेयर्स हैड जस्ट लेफ्ट द क्रिकेट, लेफ्ट द स्पोर्ट एंड इट वाज अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे हैड टू डू दैट. बट अभी जहाँ पर हुआ है वहाँ फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी भी आ गया है एंड जहाँ WPL आया है वहाँ गेम ग्रो होता जा रहा है. लाइक वी कैन सी इट्स जस्ट द 4th सीजन ना. 3 सीजन में वी गॉट अ ट्रॉफी, वी गॉट अ वर्ल्ड कप ट्रॉफी. सो दैट इज अ थिंग दैट जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ते जाएगा इट्स गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग.
You also mentioned that you strongly believe in visualization. How has it helped you, in your career?
For me, visualization is more of, थिंकिंग के ये चीज कोई नहीं कर सकता बट मैं कर लूंगी. सो वो एक ना बिलीफ सिस्टम चेंज हो जाता है, कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा चेंज हो जाता है. एंड मैं प्रिपरेशन पे भी बहुत ज्यादा बिलीव करती हूँ कि अगर मैं प्रिपेयर्ड हूँ तो फिर कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बट अगर नहीं किया है तो फिर वो नर्वसनेस, वो ब्लैंक माइंड, वो सारी चीजें आ जाती है. बट मैं प्रिपेयर हूँ तो वो चीज कुछ नहीं कर सकती. जो एंड मोमेंट का हमारा रिविजन रहता है वो विजुअलाइजेशन रहता है. सो एट नाइट व्हेन आई एम स्लीपिंग द लास्ट थॉट इज ओके, दैट पॉजिटिव थॉट दैट आई हैव डन दिस फॉर माय टीम, कि ये सिचुएशन था एंड आई हैव डन दैट. बीट एनी, आई विजुअलाइज 4-5 सिचुएशंस इन माय हेड दैट दिस थिंग माइट हैपन, वी माइट बी इन अ वेरी क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन जहां पर हमें 3 ओवर में 30 रन चाहिए एंड 7 विकेट चला गया एंड आई एम बैटिंग. सो जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल. एंड विकेट्स चाहिए इनिशियली, इतना इतना हो गया. तो ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन आई विजुअलाइज इन माय हेड. आई वेक अप विद अ वेरी फ्रेश माइंड दैट ओके आई हैव डन दैट एंड आई एम रेडी फॉर ऑल दिस सिचुएशन. बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हेन यू गो यू सी ओके 3 ओवर 30 रन चाहिए, यू आर ऑलरेडी, प्रेशर ऑलरेडी बढ़ चुका है. सो अगर मैं प्रिपेयर्ड हूँ दैट आई हैव डन इट इन माय माइंड, आई जस्ट हैव टू डू इट प्रैक्टिकली. सो वो एक चीज है जो आई बिलीव इन दैट अ लॉट.
Okay. Last question that I want to ask you is, you have so much experience, and I think you're one of the best persons to tell. इतनी सारी लड़कियां हैं and they want to, represent our country the way you have, the way Smriti Mandhana has done, and many more women in blue have already done. Those young budding girls, what do you want to tell them? They want to take up cricket. उनको क्या कहना है?
Just go for it. And no matter what happens, everything is possible. Just keep dreaming, just keep manifesting what you want, and you never know at what time you'll just have it on your table. Because I never thought of coming and making a debut for the country. Because from where I started, I didn't even think that I would pick this sport as a career or something that I would become serious of. But this is how destiny works, and this is how I got a lot more learnings in cricket. I've learned a lot about my life, about myself. I got amazing friends, and you learn a lot in this sport about your downfall when you're not doing that great, when you're doing well as well. So everything is a roller coaster ride, and I love everything about it. So yeah, it's just about grabbing those opportunities.
Okay. Another thing, correct me if I'm wrong, you had once mentioned ki, I don't know ki, like when you were growing up ki, I don't know if I'll get into cricket and all. I just like running on the field and all. Back then if you look, and now someone who has worn Indian jersey, how वो कैसे लगता है कि back then when you used to say that?
I was always a sporty kid. I mean, घर पर बैठना मतलब वो नहीं होता था. तो हम नाना नानी के यहाँ भी जाते थे, तो उनके यहाँ जगह बहुत थी, पूरा खेत था. सो दोपहर में जा रहे, आम तोड़ के आ रहे कजिन्स के साथ. आई यूज्ड टू लाइक क्लाइंबिंग ऑन द ट्रीज, टेरेस पे चढ़ गए बिना सीढ़ी के. तो वो सारी चीजें थी जो इट वाज लाइक मोर ऑफ कि नहीं, घर पर बैठो, आराम करो, समर वेकेशन है, आराम करो. नहीं, चलो भागते दौड़ते. तो वो एक दो चीजें जो शेप की. घर आके फिर ऐसा हुआ कि नहीं, मुझे स्कूल में कोई स्पोर्ट ज्वाइन करना है. सो कॉलेज में काफी स्पोर्ट खेल लिया. आई प्लेड हॉकी, आई प्लेड सॉफ्ट बॉल, आई प्लेड बेसबॉल, आई प्लेड अ लॉट ऑफ स्पोर्ट. देन आई प्लेड फुटबॉल एंड नाउ क्रिकेट. सो आई हैव डन अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बैडमिंटन कोचिंग एज वेल, बिकॉज नहीं थे पैसे तब. यू आर अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट, यू नीड समथिंग. घर वालों पे एक वक्त के बाद आपको शर्म आती है घर वालों से पैसे मांगने के लिए. सो वो एक दो, माई सिस्टर वॉज नॉट वर्किंग एट दैट टाइम. यू हैव एल्डर ब्रदर्स, यू हैव एल्डर सिस्टर, बट अगर वो भी कॉलेज में ही है, देन यू डोंट हैव सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, नो. सो फिर जब यू हैव एल्डर सिबलिंग्स, देन आपको काफी फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी वैसे भी आ जाती है. सो आफ्टर माई सिस्टर गेटिंग अ जॉब, शी यूज्ड टू लुक आफ्टर मी. बट तभी इनिशियली उतना खुद का थोड़ा ध्यान देना पड़ता था, थे खुद के भी खर्चे. तो आई डिड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बैडमिंटन कोचिंग, के छोटे बच्चों को थोड़ा बहुत सिखा दिया, टू गेट पेड फॉर दैट, कि हाँ भाई 4-5 महीना निकल जाए एक पगार पे. सो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें जो इनिशियली से अलोंग द इयर्स यूज्ड टू गिव टाइम फॉर क्रिकेट ऑल्सो. थोड़ा ये भी करना है, थक कर घर पर आ रहे हो, तो वो भी एक टाइम था, वो भी एक मजा आता था.
I think you have had the more. Honestly, I feel like you've had such a unique journey. And again, as you mentioned, you did not want to be a burden for your parents. But I think now, if back then, if I think when that young girl is looking at you, I think she would be very proud to see what you have achieved, and hopefully, you keep achieving more and more for our country.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I think this was such a wonderful conversation, but don't go away. We have a fun rapid fire round also coming. So wait. So let's start with the rapid fire round. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first question is cricket ground you enjoy playing at?
I would love to play at Lords, one of the dream ground, but we played in Brisbane recently. So that was one of the, I love the wicket because as a fast bowler, you get pace, you've got bounce. So yeah.
Okay, if not a cricketer, what would you have been?
I don't know, honestly. Probably I would have done some corporate job, 9 to 5 job, nothing more than that.
What does Saima's cheat meal look like?
Mummy के हाथ का chicken biryani. I wouldn't say it's a cheat meal, but I go for all those kind of food more.
Besides cricket, which sport do you enjoy playing?
Besides cricket, I used to play football. I still love doing that. But team में कभी-कभी वॉलीबॉल वगैरह भी खेल लेते, थोड़ा हो जाता है competition.
Ritual भी है football खेलना. But football and cricket तो you have played ऐसे properly. Anything besides that you just enjoy like ऐसे ही खेलने के लिए?
I can say badminton. Badminton is quite good. I like playing video games as well. So yeah.
Teammate you enjoy spending time with?
It's fun to have Jamie around. There's never a dull moment, but it's never a dull moment with Prakashika as well. She is one of the character that you can't, just can't ignore. उसको बोलेंगे तू जा यार बस हो गया. Still she'll if Prakashika is in a room, you'll know that she's in a room.
My God.
Okay, but she's fun. Amazing teammate if it comes to handling you that अरे तू ठीक है क्या? She knows. क्या रे कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
Okay. Mountains or beaches?
हम मुंबई में ही पले बड़े. I love beaches. I love the sea.
A movie or series you never get tired of watching?
I like to watch Friends.
We are on the same page then. A guilty pleasure you secretly enjoy?
I don't think so. There's any. Nothing. Okay. Honestly.
Favorite actor or actress? दोनों भी बोल सकते हो.
I'm a big fan of Ranbir Kapoor. I really like him. And
movie of his that is like your all-time fave?
I like all his movies. I like to watch all his movies, honestly.
Greatest actress?
Actress में I like Juhi Chawla.
Who according to you is the legend of Indian cricket?
Jhulan Goswami.
Wow. I really liked that you said Jhulan Goswami because it's very rare that people even take female cricketers' names.
Because तब तो इतना क्रिकेट का कुछ क्रेज भी नहीं था. But पूरे इंडिया में सिर्फ 2 ही नाम थे, मिताली राज और झूलन गोस्वामी. तो एज ए बॉलर उन्होंने अगर खुद का नाम किया है, जब किसी को पता भी नहीं था कि वुमेन्स क्रिकेट एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो उनके लिए अलग ही लेवल का रिस्पेक्ट है.
Okay, and lastly, one cricketing moment you will never forget.
You can never forget the first times. So I would take my debut wicket and Susie Bates getting that edge on my very first over. So I actually visualized that this might happen. And you get that instinct initially. And I'm a very firm believer of visualization before the game, during the game, anything. So it just felt like, it happens like a deja vu thing. That this thing already happened. So I just thought that, you just know at the run up that you're going to get a wicket on this ball. So if you're that connected with your instincts and I would say that.
I think, with this conversation, we spoke about inspiration, emotions, fire, Khadu's attitude, and, this rapid fire round. And I think I have learned a lot, and I'm quite sure the young budding women cricketers, when they see this, they will also have that courage and dignity to go with the flow and do what they are truly passionate about. And, you're one of the best women cricketers of our country, of our world also, I want to say, because I'm a Mumbai girl, Mumbai chi mulgi, so I want to support another Mumbai chi mulgi. And, you're creating awareness and all, and I'm really proud to see, our women in blue also evolving. Thank you so much, for spreading awareness, giving us such insights. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining us. Honestly, Saima's story has been truly inspiring. Whether it was the first time she held the bat or whether it was the first time she set her foot on the field or the first time she wore the jersey. I'm quite sure the young budding cricketers, female cricketers especially, would have learned a lot from this episode. Our next episode of Bat Ball or Bate will be out soon. So until then, keep catching up with Kiara.